beautiful day, Oyinkan here, and today we're talking about 20, is it 20? I don't know if my list has 20 or 19, but a bunch of things I no longer buy that I once bought before, or I just never bought it, or will never buy ever, 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 ever.
Oh, absolutely.
My forehead looks really red, and I think it's because my hat, it's like causing a shadow situation. So bear with me, but I'm fab, so.
I'm stunning.
I am fabulous!
Before we get started, make sure you subscribe and also turn on your notifications as well. Okay, oh, I got this video idea from the Chic Natural. I'm gonna link her video below. She's like a minimalist. I'm not a minimalist. I like stuff. I like things. I like buying stuff. But the older I get, I'm 28 years old by the way. The older I get, the more I scale down on the things that I don't need, if that makes sense. But I'm not a minimalist, okay? I like to get things, okay? I like to shop, okay? All right, let's get right into it. This is my whole list. Yes, I fit like 19 to 20 things on this little pink Post-it. Of course, my Post-its would be pink, right? What else would it be? Something I used to buy that I no longer buy is meat. I am not a meat eater. I stopped eating meat April 2016. I did a 30-day no meat eating challenge, and I kid you not, after that, I just never had an appetite for meat again.
Oh my God.
Wow. Wow.
And now it's been 4 years. 4 years and what, 2-3 months? Haven't had meat, haven't wanted it, haven't had an appetite for it, don't care for it. I think meat is nasty. So yeah, I'm not ever gonna buy meat again because I don't eat it.
She's irrelevant.
Cases of water. You know how you buy like bottled water, but the bottles are plastic? I no longer buy that because I don't want to add to the problems in this world with the plastic consumption and this and that and and then it ends up in the water. Like, it's just too much. Like, I just don't. If I'm gonna have to get cases, I might just get boxed water, and then if I'm desperate, maybe I'll get like the cases of the plastic bottles out of desperation, out of there's nothing else available, if anything, right? But I usually have a water bottle with me. That's what really works for me. I'd rather do that. It's better. The water comes from home, safer. I haven't bought lotion in like maybe almost 10 years because I use shea butter. I'm a shea butter girl. Girl, I use shea butter. My skin is popping. My skin is, woo! My skin is, okay. Skin is smooth, divine. Shout out to shea butter. Shout out to genetics, but also shout out to shea butter.
I have been a natural girl. I'm okay with it. I'm okay with being a natural girl.
Shea butter is my jam. I use shea butter exclusively on my body, and I just do not buy lotion.
Okay? Simple as that.
There's no, what's the point of lotion? I get ashy from it anyway.
What does she do, girlfriend? She's irrelevant.
I started using at first I was interchanging between shea butter and cocoa butter. Then I would like use cocoa butter in the winter and shea butter in the summer. One fall, I just never went back to cocoa butter. I just kept using shea butter. And then I just couldn't stop. And now it's been like 10 years and I'm a shea butter girl. I'm just that girl. And I don't really get as ashy. See? Gotta do what works for you. Don't use lotion just because they tell you use lotion. What's in that lotion? What's in that lotion? Why don't you ask that question first? People don't even know what's in their lotion and they using lotion. I refuse. I use shea butter, natural stuff on my body, and I feel great. I feel good. Rice. Nigerian, and rice is a staple in the Nigerian home, but not for me.
Happily. Oh.
I do not buy rice. When I go grocery shopping, rice is not ever on the list. I'm a vegetable girl. I'm a seafood vegetable. You know, the good stuff that's good for the body. Like, what's the nutrients of rice? I'll wait. Oh, okay. You can't tell me, huh? That's why I don't buy rice. Ask my friend to give me some items of things to add to this list, and it's so funny because her and I do like brunch and dinner a lot, and she literally said falsely advertised food. Because I'm the type of person that I'll literally tell the waiter, take the food back, I don't want it, because this is not what you were bringing to me. Like, if you bring me a shrimp, etc., something, a shrimp wrap, let's say, and then it comes with only 2 shrimps in it, waiter, sir, take the food back because you falsely advertised this food to me and this is not what I asked for, okay? Take it back, right? So I'm that girl. I speak my mind and I like to be satisfied. You know, I believe that if I'm paying for something or if I'm receiving a service, I should be satisfied of that service. So yeah, I'm that girl that would complain. Yep. I would not buy it. Clearly, if they're taking it back, I'm not paying for it. They're gonna bring me a new plate of food. Something else. This is in no particular order, so it's gonna be all over the place. But things I can't afford. I no longer buy things I can't afford. I'm a big girl now. Like, I am 28 years old. When I was younger, I would spend stupidly. Stupidly. Stupid is an understatement of the way that I used to spend when I was like younger. But I don't do that anymore.
Who are you?
I spend within my means.
Okay. Simple as that.
Calculate everything. I don't buy things that I can't afford. I don't buy things to the last dollar. Like, I'm very meticulous with the way I spend now. And I wasn't like that before, but now I'm on it. I don't buy bread, just like how I don't buy rice. I don't buy bread because there's no nutrients in bread, so what's the point? You know, doesn't mean I won't have a sandwich one day, maybe when I'm out or something, once in a blue moon. But I'm not about to like go buy a loaf of bread from the store. No, we're not doing that. We're not about to be eating bread every day. We're not doing that because you don't get a six-pack doing that. I wouldn't get a six-pack doing that, so I'm not doing that. I asked my mom and she told me used cars. Yeah, I'm a new car kind of girl. I see a big difference in new and in used. The reason I will not ever buy a used car ever again, like I'm no longer interested in used cars and I'm just gonna stick to getting new cars, is because I like to be sure that my car is going to be okay. I like to be sure that it's not gonna break down on me because it's pre-owned and only God knows what the prior owner could have done to it, that they tried to cover up at the dealership to make it seem like the car is fine. A year after driving that used car, next thing you know, something is wrong with it and you gotta pay like $500, $1,000 to get it fixed.
Ah, the ghetto! The ghetto. The ghetto.
It's just stupid. I'm not doing that. I'm not getting a used car anymore. I will always and forever get a new car. I feel secure with a new car. I feel like I'm not ever going to end up stranded somewhere, you know? I feel good with a new car, so I'm only going to get new cars from now on. I like new cars. It feels good, okay? Gym memberships. I've only had a gym membership one time in my life. I was signed up with the gym from April 2019 to when we had to quarantine, when I cut my gym membership off. Here's the thing. The last day the gym was open, I called them and was like, hey, can you freeze my account for the next couple of months? I don't know how long we're gonna have to be in quarantine, but if I'm not using the account, I don't need the account to be active. Yes, we got you, we're freezing it. Tell me why the following month they charged me on the first of the month. They charged me for a month. One of my girls from the gym, she told me she's trying to call corporate. They're not picking up. Of course they're not picking up. Nobody is working. Gyms are closed. Like, closed shop. Nobody is working. They're closed.
The door is closed. The door is closed.
So all I did was call the bank and take care of that charge situation. They handled it with the gym because I just could not be bothered. And I was just like, I'm not signing up to a gym anymore. First of all, when I signed up for a gym, I was like in a weird place in my life where I felt like I needed to be motivated in order to work out. And I've never used to be that way before. I don't know if you guys saw my video that I did about Andre Leon Talley's new book, when I talked about how I can relate to his experience in working in fashion and how like it made me unhappy with this when I was working at this job, yada yada yada. So I was working at this job during that time, April 2019, and I was really depressed from working at that job. It was just terrible. So I signed up for the gym because I couldn't motivate myself to work out. I gained 20 pounds. Watch the video. I'll link it in the iCard so you can really get like the gist of the story or whatever, because I didn't tell everything in the video, but I told enough for you to understand, okay? Yeah, that's why I signed up for the gym. But now I'm back. I feel great mentally. I'm happy and back to my usual happy self that I used to being. So I don't feel like I need the gym anymore. I'm good. Even through quarantine, I've been keeping up with my exercises. If you have me on Instagram, then you'll probably see a few times a week, I'll post my workouts on Insta Story. So you can add me on Instagram as Queen Oyinkan. I'll put my Instagram down here somewhere so you can add it. But yeah, I post my workouts a few times a week. Like, I'm pretty consistent with my exercises. I eat right, I eat healthy, I work out all the time. I feel good. I don't need a gym. Forget the gym. I'm back to working out at home, honey. Because that's how I started working out anyway. I started working out consistently when I was 21, and I would always work out from home. Like, everything I did, everything I ever trained for, I've ran a half marathon, I have done Spartan race, I've done other obstacle course races. Everything I did was either from home or jogging like in my neighborhood or at a park or something. So I really don't need a gym. So yeah. It's something that I'm not ever paying for again. Wallets! I'm not buying wallets because I don't wear them. like I have them, but let me show you. This is the type of bags that I carry. You think my wallets are fitting in this bag? No, I have two wallets. One that's like really small and can possibly fit in this bag, and one that is the size of this bag, literally. I can't be bothered with wallets because I don't wear them. I don't know the point of them at this point because I literally don't use it. I put everything in my bag. I do not put anything in a wallet. So I'm no longer buying wallets because there's just no point. Bras. I have small boobs. I'm a 34B. B as in boy. I'm not really a bra girl. I have a bunch of bras. I don't wear them. I'm keeping them in case, you know, they can come in handy one day for particular outfits, but I really wear stuff like this, and I don't even, like, I'm not wearing a bra with this. You see? I'm not wearing a bra with this, and you don't even need a bra with this. You're not supposed to wear a bra with it. And I wear a lot of clothes that don't need bras, and I go braless all the time. So I really, it's not that deep. It's really not. I like bralettes, but I wear bralettes as tops. So a bralette is like a crop top to me in my mind. I'll buy that, but I'm not about to like go and buy a bra, like really go off buying bras with the iron in it or whatever, metal. Like, I'm not doing that, no, because I don't even, no. CDs and DVDs. I do not buy nobody's CD or DVD. I can watch things online. It is not that deep, okay? It's not. I'm just not, no. It's nice to have like physical copies of things though, but honestly, all I'm gonna do is watch it on my phone or my computer anyway, so what's the point? Paying for manicures. I do not do that. I started doing my own nails. 2 years ago, I do my own gel manicures, and I actually also started doing my own pedicures too. I used to say I would still go to the salon for a pedicure, but I don't need to. I have a whole kit. I did a video of like how I do my nails. I'll link it in the iCard. But I have a whole kit. I do my nails. It feels like therapy. It feels amazing. And I always get glitter nails. I've been getting glitter nails for about 7 years now, and it's just a habit for me. Like, I do not like not having glitter nails. Like, it has to be glitter. It can't just be plain. It just doesn't feel like me if it's plain. Like, it has to be glitter. I'm a glitter girl for everything. More than one phone case is something that I will not ever buy. Like, of course I have a phone case on this, but I'm not about to get multiple phone cases for the same phone so I can change it out with my outfit. No.
Let's keep it simple.
This case has been on this phone since I got this phone. Period. It's not that deep. Phone cases do not have to match my outfit. I'm a glitter girl, so I got a phone case that has glitter and sequins, little glitter stuff in it. Called it a day. I made sure it was something that I could look at every day and not be tired of it. Glitter. Called it a day. Jeans! Okay, so here's the thing. It's a little tricky, right? I'm open to jean dresses or denim jackets. Maybe jean shorts. Maybe. I'm open to jean shirts also, but you will not catch me wearing denim pants because I'm just not that girl. I've seen some cool looking denim stuff. Maybe like a wide leg situation I might do because that's pretty cool. But fun fact, I stopped wearing jeans when I was 18. Not on purpose, it's just I found myself, I started college when I was 17 turning 18, and I found myself reaching for other trousers instead of my jeans. And mind you, I was a Levi's lover when I was in high school. So I went into college with a bunch of Levi's because that's just what I was used to like buying or having. Yeah, I don't know. Freshman year of college, slowly stopped wearing jean pants. I would wear like more shorts, I would wear skirts a lot, I would wear dresses a lot, but jeans, I just would not reach for them. I still have my jeans from like 10 years ago and 11 years ago or so, but I just don't wear them. I wear pants like this. Like, I'm a culottes girl. I like pants like this. Like, this is cool for me. You know, I'm into stuff like this. Yeah, not really a jean pants girl. Calendars. I'm not spending money on nobody's calendar. I will put things in my phone. I'd rather do that. I'll buy a journal, but I'm not buying a calendar. I'm not doing that. No, thank you. Cheap items that are bad quality. I've grown out of that years ago. I used to, when I was like younger, I'll buy something because it's cheap, even though it's gonna mess up like quickly anyway. What's the point? You're wasting your money. I don't do that anymore.
I am making a power move.
I will spend the extra money that it takes for something that is more durable, something that's going to last longer, because that's worth the money. When you buy bad quality things, you are wasting money. If that thing costs $3 and the good quality one costs $20, you're wasting money getting that $3 thing, because that $3 thing is gonna break down in like 2 seconds. And then you have to buy another $3 thing. And then think about how many times you're spending $3. At some point you surpass the $20 that you would have spent on the good quality item. So you might as well get the $20 item. Pens. I feel like I always have pens. Like, I always have pens, and I have not ever had to pay for pens. In like, I don't even remember the last time I've had to pay for a pen. It must be over 10 years now. I kid you not. I have not paid for pens. So I'm not buying a pen because it's always gonna be around me in some way, shape, or form. So I'm not spending money on pens. If a situation arises, or if I own a company where I'm employing people and I have them come into an office, of course I would provide pens for them, clearly. You know, it's just me, so I'm not buying pens. I have a bunch of pens right now, and I didn't buy any of them. So I don't even know how I have them.
So you ain't supposed to forget things like that now.
Soda! I stopped drinking soda in high school, I think. And before I stopped drinking soda, I would always drink Sprite. I was always a water girl. I drank water more than anything. And then when I want to have like fun with my drinks, it would be Sprite. And that's it. I wouldn't drink any other soda because all the other sodas were nasty to me. And then I stopped drinking soda in high school. Yeah. I only drink water. I'm a water girl. I like water. Wine tastes good. Champagne is good too, but I'm a water girl. Like, I drink water all day, every day, day. I do not play with water. Water is my friend, okay? I think that's everything. Thanks very much for watching. Let me know what you stopped buying, what you used to buy that you feel like you have matured and whatever. Let me know what you used to buy that you no longer buy anymore. I really want to hear it. I want to find out, girl. Thank you so very much for watching. I really appreciate it. I love you. God loves you. Thank you so much. Make sure you subscribe and also check out my other videos somewhere over here. Thank you so very much. Alrighty. Bye.